with teriyaki sauce and other good garlic and some beautiful brown sugar. And what I'm going to do to get started for this recipe is take our chicken thighs. I've got 3 here, and I'm going to cut them up like this so that they are in some pieces like this, okay? And same way here on this one. I'm going to cut them into some nice, like, I don't know, ice cube sizes. And as you can see, and I'm leaving the fat on. And here we go. There's another one. And I'm going to cut this one in half. And then I have, because there's just 2 of us here in our house, so I'm making 3 of these thighs, which should be more than enough. And this will be in tin foil, everything will be. And we are going to put it in the oven at 400 for about 20 minutes. And so what we're going to do is take our chicken and get it back into our bowl. Get our chicken back into our bowl. And I'm going to rinse my hands while you're looking at the chicken.
Back in the bowl, back in the bowl.
Always remember, that's right, Anthony. Always remember to wash your hands in between everything you do. Okay? And I'm going to take this, and what I'm going to do is bring the other board over here. I have another board I'm going to bring, and we're going to put it right here on our camera angle so we can see what we're doing. And what I'm going to do is add some things to our chicken thighs while I'm getting ready to cut other things. Okay, so let's start with garlic. We'll get some garlic in there. All right, I have some beautiful garlic here that's already minced. I want to get every last bit out.
And we love minced garlic.
And we like minced garlic here. And I have some more right here. I'm going to open right up. And minced garlic it is.
Oh, that's good.
Okay, so now we got a couple of cloves of garlic in there. And then I'm going to put some brown sugar. Brown sugar. You can use white sugar if you'd like. I'm using brown, okay, because I like brown and everything. And then I'm going to put about just a little bit of ginger in there. About a quarter. Ginger, yes. About a quarter of a teaspoon of ginger.
Oh, we like ginger.
Okay, so here, quarter of a teaspoon of ginger right in.
Ooh, I can smell that.
To go right in. And
garlic's going right up my nose.
Is it? It's good, huh?
Ooh.
Okay, and then what else we're going to do here is we are going to take and set this over here. And what I'm going to do with this is just give it a mix with my hands so it's like this.
Got to get your hands in.
Okay, and I'll add some salt and pepper to this, but I'm going to put teriyaki, which will have some to it. So now we're going to sit here, and all of that goodness is all in there, and I'm going to rinse my hands again, foodies.
You know, it's very important to keep washing your hands in between because we don't want any contamination in our food, right?
Right, we don't want to contaminate ourselves with the raw chicken meat, right? Okay, so now what we're going to do is I'm going to bring over a few things here which I thought would be delicious would be some onion. I'm going to cut this onion and we're going to cut it in about half like this, and we'll put the other piece back over there, and we're going to take this and I'm going to peel him off just like this. He's a little flaky, but that's okay. We'll peel it off.
So here, this is a good way to get me crying in the morning, right?
That's right, Aunt. And this is about enough onion, I think, for our recipe. So what I'm going to do is slice the onion like this, just so it's like this, and like this. And then we're going to put it right in with our beautiful thighs. Now, I decided that, you know what? Let's put some colorful bell peppers in there, too.
Oh, that sounds good.
And so here we go. I'm going to take some here. And I think I'm going to take some here. And I'm going to take some here. So we have 3 colors to go in there. All right? But you don't have to put onion or colored peppers. You can put greenery, put some spinach, do whatever you like. It's all water vegetables. And then I'm going to slice these nice and thin like this. We want everything so it cooks up really, really well. And right in they go. Right in they go. And use whatever you like in vegetables. It gives it a nice flavor. And there we go. Okay, so now we have all of this in here. And before I put the salt, I'm going to throw some teriyaki in here. And I use Kikkoman brand, all right? And I'm just going to give it so it's nice and wet like this.
Ooh, that
okay?
sounds nice.
We want it nice and wet, all right? Now, Kikkoman, the teriyaki is salty. I'm going to add just a dash more. Don't overdo it. And a little bit of pepper in there so that it has a little kick to it. And that is about all we need to do. So what we're going to do is take our hands. It's okay, my hands are clean. You see me washing them. And we're going to mix this all up together. Ginger and everything and teriyaki and garlic and peppers and everything. And we're going to let this sit for a few minutes. And I'm going to rinse my
Ginger
hands.
and spice and everything. Nice.
And it smells good, doesn't it, Ann?
Oh yeah, now it smells good that you got it all mixed together there.
So we're going to put this in some tin foil now. And the tin foil, I've already taken the tin foil out. And I'm going to just sort of move this a little bit here. Okay, I don't need this knife. And what I'm going to do is get our tin foil over here. Just like this. 1, 2. Now I overlap them. You can do this any way you like. You can even do this in a baking dish and cover it with tin foil, but I'm going to cook it in the tin foil, literally. So I just come up with it like this, up with it like this, and then I come up with the other side like this, just like this. Okay? And you kind of crimp it a little bit there. Crimp it, come back a little bit. See how I do that? Okay?
Making like a pseudo pan.
You know, like a pseudo pan. Right? And what we're going to do is take all of our delicious mixture and we're going to come up on the side like this and then come up on this side like this. So that way nothing is going to leak out because we want to get all of this into our aluminum foil. See how everything is in there, everybody?
Beautiful, beautiful.
All right, now I'm going to give this a spray, and I'm going to give it a spray of olive oil here. So there's some olive oil in there, okay? And then what we're going to do is take our mixture. You can let this marinate for a couple of hours, or you don't have to, whatever. It's going to cook in the oven at 400 degrees for about 20 minutes. It should do the job. And what we're going to do is just get it. Now I made our basket, and we're going to get it right onto this pan I have for the oven. You see how it all will fit. Okay, so in we go, and we're going to get our beautiful mixture right in here, just like this. Sugar and teriyaki and everything beautifully nice. There it is. And what we're going to do is, I have a spatula here. We're just going to get this so that it sort of kind of goes like this, right?
Looks nice.
Now, if you have pineapple, you can even add pineapple. I'm out of pineapple. We ate it all up. We love pineapple here. All right, so there you go. Now, 20 minutes will do the job. And then what you do is just bring your sides up like this. Bring your sides up. Bring your other side up like this. And sort of kind of give it a squish like that. So that, because it's aluminum. Squish the sides together like this.
Smush.
Let's together like that. See how I'm doing it? Leave a little air in the middle. Okay? Not air, but a little opening. All right?
For steam.
So the steam can get out right there in the middle. And then we're going to put this in the oven at 400 and cook them for about 20 minutes, 25 minutes. Take a look-see inside, and everything should be nice and delicious, teriyaki flavored chicken thighs. So there we have it. Very easy. Foil chicken thighs. We'll show you how this cooks out when we do our end and eat. So there we have it. So this is Pete as always. Thanks for subscribing. If you haven't, share, subscribe, like. We love you all. This is Pete as always. Out.